Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a SHEIN try on haul. I don't know about y'all, but I have seen ads and ads and ads on Instagram and Facebook, and every time I've looked at that website, I'm like, how the hell can I get something for this cheap? So I'm real excited to do this try on haul today. I got a huge order, like three or four like more fancy-ish. I mean, there's like 2 like date night outfits, like 4 bathing suits, a few of these. This is from there. Then like a few other like really cute outfits and a pair of shoes too. So we're gonna go ahead and just hop right on into this. Give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe. And did I already say share this video? I don't know. Anyways, keep on watching. Obviously wearing yoga pants, and these aren't from there, but I got like 3 of like these shirts. They're not really like sweatshirts technically. I mean, they do have a hood, but it's like super light and like thin, obviously. And this is like my favorite thing to wear around the house and to wear with yoga pants in general. So I can just wear like a sports bra under it. I'm not wearing one right now, but they're super thin, and this is my favorite thing to wear around the house. So I got this one and a few others. This one's a little bit more like cropped than the other one, and then the first one I showed you, and then the other one I got is like a lot more cropped, but this one doesn't have a hood. Still pretty like thin. This one and this one are kind of the same material. Like it's not too soft, like it's a little bit more like structured kind of, but my thought process is that like in Florida it's super hot, so I like the fact that I can just wear either nothing or a sports bra under this and like I'll be fine. It's basically just like a shirt. But I thought this was super cute, and I like the fact, since like my mostly all of my yoga pants go like up this high, I like the fact like where it cuts like right there, so it's not like longer, but I don't know, I just like it a lot. So this one is a lot more cropped, but it's actually softer though, and I just thought it was really cute since it's half camo and half black. But I saw this one and I was like, damn, that's really cute. And I'm trying to like venture out and not just get like all black stuff, because I have a lot of black clothes. This has dog hair all over it since I was cuddling with my dog last night and wearing it, but I think it's very cute. Cropped again is like my favorite thing to wear in my house. Is just like thin sweatshirts and a sports bra and like maybe pants, probably not. So keep in mind, this is like the first time I'm trying on any of this. When I wanted to join me for this video. This one has like it's supposed to be like knotted, I guess, or something, but it's like, see how like weird that looks? I'm also not wearing a bra, so stop looking at my nipples. But it's very, I don't know. It would have been cuter if it was actually like just knotted. So I mean, realistically, if I'm gonna wear this with something, I'll probably just do like half of a front tuck, but I thought this shirt was really cute, so yeah, I would probably just do like a little bit of like a front tuck or something, but I'd have to, I don't know, that's a little weird. Sometimes you just gotta do it on your own, you know? See how like weird that is? It's like ruched, but it's not. Crap, I probably should have done that. Hello. Actually, you know what? I kind of want to cut it right here so that I'll be able to just tie it really easily. Because that is going to be really cute when I do that. Let's just see if I can do it like this then. Yeah, I should probably cut it. Like, who made this? It looks like a nipple. Oh, I gotta take this off. So I got 2 skirts. I got this one, this like color block one. And honestly, I thought it was gonna be like more like tight. I mean, I don't mind it, it's okay. Also, don't look at my nipples. But you can see like how thin it is, and I wasn't expecting it to be like literally just like fabric sewn together with like no underline or something. But whatever. This shirt though, I love though. It has the little holes, the little thumb holes, which I thought was cute. And I love how like this is like tighter right here and it's like really soft. Obviously it is like a little bit see-through, so I'm gonna have to wear a like tank top under this, which I would anyways usually, but I don't know. I think this is like really, really cute. Like really cute. Like with boots, it'd be adorable. It was just I would have to make sure like this isn't getting wrinkled. All right, so next I'm gonna try on this one, which I'm pretty sure this is the one I'm gonna wear tonight. My goodness. So this one's really cute. It's stretchy, which I like. Both of them are a good length, like they're dress code approved. But yeah, I like this one. I like this one a lot. It looks darker on the website, I think, but I like it. I think it would look cuter with black and then black boots. Okay, so I also got this wrap skirt. And so you like pull the thing through there, and then it comes out there. And then I guess I wrap this and this over here. And then I would definitely have to wear shorts under this. Little bloomers or something. Ooh. Yeah, that's really cute. Look at my mirror. Ooh, good color. I'm trying to think, how would I pose in that? Probably like that. Just like a little leg showing. I thought this would look better with something black because there's like hardly any white in this because it's more of like a cream color, but this is really, really cute. I like this one a lot. And it's perfect since it's like so hot here too. I am a big fan of jumpsuits, and I thought this one with like the netting and the pearls were super cute, and that they'd be super cute for Valentine's Day. So I was really worried because like I do have a smaller waist, and obviously I would be wearing Spanx with this, but listen, you can't have a little bit of a booty without a little bit of a tummy. So if you can't handle it, get out. But I was worried because like sometimes these look crazy with like my big boobs and my tiny waist, and then like you just never know if it's like not gonna fit and if it's just gonna like give you the biggest camel toe ever, which this doesn't, which is very good. Yeah, this is good. This is really good. Yeah. And this was really cheap too. See the embellishments and everything. And they're on the back too. How fucking cute is that? Oh, I love it. So far, I feel like we're all in agreement. This is my favorite thing. Okay. Again, I wasn't really sure like about this one, like the idea of it. I thought would be really cute. And what do you know? It is actually very cute. Because my thought process, I was like, okay, like if it's too long, like that'll look weird. But it's very cute. I think it's very classy. Like I don't know. I'm very into like wearing black or like polka dots or like something like that for like Valentine's Day. Because the thing is, like, if you have a dress like this that has like the tulle and you have it go down to like here or like above the knee, I feel like it looks too young. And your girl's almost 30, so I can't do that. But I love this. I feel like it's like very like Audrey Hepburn. Obviously, this is wrinkled. I would put it in the bathroom with me while I showered, so the tulle or taffeta or whatever the fuck this is called would be like all flat. But look at how cute. So adorable. I love this. This one deserves a picture too. I feel like this is very cute with like a little clutch or something. So cute. This over here does feel like a little bit cheap, but once this was all straightened, you wouldn't be able to really see it or tell. Plus, who's gonna come with me and touch it? Okay, but like, how cute is this cow bathing suit? Oh, so one thing that I like is that I feel like all the bottoms that I got are more like full coverage, because sometimes you see these just little, like these little ones that just don't cover your cooter. I probably should have shaved before doing this video. Oh god. But anyways, for instances like that. But yeah, I am like, I'm obsessed with this, and I'm even thinking of like a funny caption I could do. Anyways, yeah, so this fits pretty well. I have double D's, so I hate whenever bathing suit places are like, oh, here's a top and a bottom, they're the same size. I'm like, what? Since when does anyone have a small bottom and a small top? Like, I'm not 12. So I get small bottoms because I got a small bottom, and then I have double D's, so I'm like, you know what? We'll just squeeze them on in there. Yeah, but this is cute as fuck. I'm obsessed. This is so cute. It's weird. So I'm honestly surprised that like this is I don't know, like makes me actually feel secure, which is very rare. I usually never wear a strapless just because obviously these ladies are large. But how freaking cute are these? Right? Like, these are so cute. Like I said, most of the ones I got are like high-waisted-ish, but I think these are so freaking cute. So adorable. Am I about to buy like everything from SHEIN? This is adorable. I mean, the cow one, it still like takes the cake just because I think it's really funny, but this one's good too. I mean, I'm so surprised that like this is making me feel so secure, but then also just like they seem like good quality too. Like, I like how it's the material as well. Oh my goodness. So one thing I just realized is most of the like bottoms and tops I got can be like interchangeable. So I got these bottoms too, and they go with the top that I'm about to put on, but I kind of just wanted to show that like they can be interchangeable. And then it crisscrosses in the back. I think that's how it's supposed to go. Oh yeah, okay, that looks kind of normal from far away. Yeah, so this one's cute too. It's obviously like I would have major like under boob, but then again it's a small, so just like get your size. But I thought this one was really cute. So I don't know why I got this one. This is a lot smaller than it looked on the thingy, but obviously I would not be able to wear this out of the house because it's like an eye patch. But I can give it to my sister-in-law because her boobs are much smaller than mine. I wanted to show y'all as well like what this skirt looks like with a black top instead, which again is just riddled with Wiggum's hair, but I like this one a lot. I think this is like my favorite like casual outfit from the stuff I got, and then the jumpsuit is my favorite like fancier outfit, and then the cow bikini is the favorites of my bathing suits that I got. I got these tennis shoes as well. I'm actually going to try them on right now. Hopefully they fit. They were super cheap though, so it doesn't really matter. I mean, these are cute. I mean, I feel like they fit good. Since there's the little like thing back here, like it has like a little bit of cushion on my heel. I like these. They're like dupes for obviously a way more expensive brand. Like the ones that are like kind of like supposed to look like weathered and dirty right here and then have the star on them. But they were so cheap. So yeah, I like them. And I actually don't mind them with how they look with this. I think it looks kind of cute. So yeah, that's pretty cute. I like that. Look at me go. All the cool kids are doing it. So yeah, so I like these a lot. These are adorable. I didn't think I would like them that much, but well, what do you know? I forgot to film an outro and I already took all my makeup off. So that's great. I hope y'all enjoyed this try on. I really loved everything I got, except except for that one shirt. But everything was really good. Personally, I liked it all. I think the bathing suits were really good quality. Everything shipped pretty fast. I saw like that was one of the, like, the main complaints I saw. The app that they have, like, yeah, the website's good to use, but like the app that they have is really easy to use and convenient. And I like that it shows you like everything you've ordered, and like you get points and stuff. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, sizing is true to size. The shoes that I got, pretty sure they were a 5.5 instead of a 6, which usually I'm a 6. So I was surprised that they fit, but those are a great dupe for the Golden Goose sneakers, which are like $530 or like $600, and those shoes were only $30. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe and like and comment, what your experience with them has been, or if you want me to do any other type of try on hauls from any other type of like online places that maybe you're a little bit sketched out about. So yeah, let me know what your favorite item was as well. So I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.